Famous words. Veni, Vidi, Vici,
Vici.
Vici. I came, I saw, I conquered in modern day Turkey when he defeated Pontus, a kingdom of the Black Sea region of Turkey. Santa Claus, St. Nicholas, was born in Patara, Turkey. Turkish people like chicken in their dessert. The popular dessert, tavuk gosu, is a chicken breast pudding with cinnamon. Oil wrestling is the national sport of Turkey and has been a tradition for over 650 years. That just struck me as being funny. Tulips were introduced to Europe by Turkey. The famous Trojan War took place in western Turkey.
Alright, so let's take a look here. What we got? We got our stickers.
Stickers.
Okay.
Breaking the seal. We're breaking the seal. And the seal is being a pain.
Alright, let's see what we got here. First up, watermelon jelly gummies.
Yep. These fun and flavorful gummy candies are shaped like slices of fruity watermelon and made with real fruit juice.
Very cool. And we've got crispy. It looks like this is spicy.
Rigid hot Vasili, bite-sized zesty chips flavored with chili peppers. This flavor is very popular in Turkey.
Cracks.
Okay,
Extra cheese.
let me see if I can find that. These crunchy cracker sticks are seriously addictive. Flavored options are extra cheese and extra herb.
Okay, we have extra herb here.
There's extra cheese, there's extra herb.
Awesome sauce.
And we've got the Turkish frickin' flavored air. Comes in these little baggies.
Orange jelly biscuit. Sin.
Okay. Sin Pie Orange. This Turkish favorite features a sweet biscuit tart covered in orange jam and then dusted with chocolate sprinkles.
Cat tat.
Cat tat. Light puffy pastry surrounds a delicious filling. We've included either hazelnut, strawberry, chocolate, or apricot flavor.
This looks apricot. Alright, we got this. Is Biscrim Cocoa.
A sweet and crunchy cookie filled with rich chocolate cream.
Okay. And this is
Chocolate pistachio sticks.
oh,
A milk-flavored stick filled with crushed pistachios for a mix of salty and sweet in every bite.
I like that. Pop cake with banana.
A sweet sponge cake filled with banana cream, then dipped in milk chocolate.
Yummy. And we have coconut.
Let's see. Oh, thin crisp wafer sandwich with hazelnut cream, then dipped in milk chocolate.
And a lot of little stuff.
Mini delicious chewy candies that feature a variety of fruit flavors made with real fruit juice.
Okay, so we got a pink one, we've got a green one, we got an orange one, we've got a blue one, and we've got an Albany.
Sweet and crispy biscuit covered in caramel, then dipped in rich milk chocolate.
Cool. And what's this? Cocoa Star.
Sweet and nutty coconut formed in a bar and dipped in decadent milk chocolate.
Chocolate. Cicolatali.
Okay. Chocolatati Grofit. Layers of crispy wafer sandwiched together with chocolate cream, then dipped in milk chocolate.
And
Those are Taya Damla. These delicious fruit-flavored chews feature a burst of fruit filling in the center. We have included several flavors for you to try.
this looks like apricot, apple, grape. A couple more in here. Cool. Well, that's our snack crate from Turkey. This looks like some yummy trying. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Love you. Bye-bye.